I got a call that one of the bedrooms in the house was completely flooded with water. The closet, the floor in the bedroom, the floor in the hallway outside of the bedroom, and there's no pipes in there. So I came back to the house. Turns out the air conditioning slash heating unit that's in a storage closet was leaking. Condensation was leaking all under the carpet. Condensation was clogging up in the unit and leaking under the carpet in the bedroom, closet, and hallway. So had to deal with that. No biggie. Had the repair guy in. He said it was a clogged drain thing. Fixed that, replaced a pipe. Yippee! What can you do? Life happens. So we're finishing up at Homebase, and then we're going to go explore some more. Have fun, y'all. And then Pop's birthday happened also right at the same time. So we parked the RV in front of Homebase. The city we live in allows us to stay there while we're unloading, loading and unloading stuff, which we were doing a lot too. So we were okay with the city.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pops. Happy birthday to you. No.
I went and bought 2 more filters because I thought it would be a really good idea to give it a few days and then swap it again, since the air in the house was so wet and I just don't want to risk any mold or mildew issues with the filter from any leftover water in the air. So we replaced the filter because I don't want Pop to get sick.